How to cope with tax time stress. Money is a significant source of stress for people, and what tax season does is shine a great big spotlight on the issue. Money takes center stage at tax time, even if you might have been able to push it to the wings the rest of the year. A 2004 survey sponsored by the American Psychological Association found that nearly 3/4 of Americans cited money as a significant source of stress. Money is also consistently among the top causes of marital contention. Often, one partner in a marriage is a spender who avoids any discussion of money. In contrast, the other partner is a saver and a worrier. The result is resentment at tax time, when both partners must examine how their habits affect progress toward their financial goals. Fear of the government also emerges at tax time. Some people are so afraid of the IRS that they won't take even the most innocuous deduction. They are paralyzed because the IRS is an authority figure. If they have unresolved issues around authority figures, that can cause a lot of fear. For some unlucky taxpayers, that fear is understandable. Key says people who have been through audits can suffer from posttraumatic stress syndrome for years afterward during tax season. Each tax season has unique challenges, and this year is no exception. The IRS wants taxpayers to get the necessary information as quickly as possible. Taxpayers should keep these tips in mind when they get ready to file. Following them will help get this year's taxes done accurately and refunds issued timely. Avoid errors. Taxpayers should review their tax returns to file a complete and accurate return and avoid refund delays. Filing electronically is the most accurate way to file. Taxpayers should check all names and double-check all Social Security numbers, bank accounts, and routing numbers. Gather records. Good record-keeping makes preparing a tax return easier. It can also ensure taxpayers do not overlook deductions and credits. Start with irs.government. irs.government is available around the clock and is the fastest way to get assistance. Millions of people use irs.government to file and pay taxes, get information about their accounts, or answer tax questions. The IRS Services Guide PDF outlines how taxpayers can get help from the IRS. Use online tools. irs.government has many useful online tools. The interactive tax assistant answers many tax questions specific to an individual's circumstances. It gives the same answers that an IRS representative would give over the phone. Report all income. Taxpayers must report their taxable income from all sources, including the gig economy, Forms W-2, wage and tax statements, and Forms 1099. Other income may be taxable, even if the taxpayer does not receive a statement. Report unemployment benefits. Taxpayers receiving unemployment benefits must report the taxable income on their tax return. Access online accounts or review IRS letters. This year, people must have the total amounts of their advanced child tax credit payments and their economic impact payments on hand when filing. They can check their online account or review Letter 6419, Total Advanced Child Tax Credit Payments, and Letter 6475, Your Economic Impact Payment, for their total payment amounts to help them file an accurate return. Choose a reputable preparer. Taxpayers can self-prepare or use a tax preparer. irs.government has resources to help people choose a tax pro. The IRS Directory of Federal Tax Return Preparers provides information on who has a professional credential or participates in the IRS annual filing season program. File electronically. IRS Free File Online can help taxpayers claim their earned income tax credit, child and dependent care credit, child tax credit, and recovery rebate credit. Some free file options are available in Spanish. MilTax online software is available for members of the military and certain veterans, regardless of income, and is offered through the Department of Defense. Eligible taxpayers may prepare and file their federal returns and up to 3 state returns for free. Choose direct deposit. Filing electronically and choosing direct deposit is the safest and easiest way to file an accurate tax return and the fastest way to get a refund. Thank you for joining us here at the Chill Out Boutique. Please help us grow by hitting that like button and subscribing to our channel. Until our next video, remember to chill out and relax.